Sometimes it's okay to be neutral olive. You don't necessarily have to pick a side. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and it's another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Nike Air Force 1 Jewel Swoosh in the neutral olive colorway. Now this shoe is part of a 3-shoe gold swoosh pack, which consists of this colorway, there's an off-white pair, and a kind of baby bluish colorway. And all three of them are women's exclusive. But as many of you know who have watched my videos before, I wear a size 10.5 in men's, so this is the size 12 in women's. First, let's take a look at the box. Now this shoe is based off the Air Force 107, so it's got the Air Force 107 box. So that's the silver box with the white Nike swoosh on the top. And the colorway is neutral olive, metallic gold, and summit white. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a mostly neutral olive upper with the metallic gold details and a very luxe appearance. Taking a look at the toe, you have a neutral olive toe box, as well as a neutral olive toe cap, and it's tumble leather. Moving towards the tongue, you got the nylon tongue, along with the neutral olive tongue tag with the Nike Air logo on it. Also, you have neutral olive laces with more premium gold aglets. I don't know if it'll pick it up or not, but it's a very premium looking one. It's not like a standard one. It's got like this kind of design on it. You got the olive green insole with the Nike logo and the words engineered for all day, everyday comfort in this metallic gold shade, the same shade as the tongue tag is. For the lateral, you got the neutral olive panels, and it seems like the quality on each one is different. So like this is a smoother tumble leather. This middle panel feels more plush. And you got the last one, which is also plush, but not as plush as the middle panel is. Also, you have a metallic gold Nike swoosh, and it's a jewel swoosh. So it's a smaller swoosh than a regular swoosh is. Moving towards the heel, you got a smooth leather back tab with the words Air on it, and it's in that metallic gold-ish colorway. The lateral is identical to the medial, so you've got the 3 panels in neutral olive, as well as the gold jewel Nike swoosh. You have a white midsole, and you have a white outsole. This shoe is not one that I saw on my radar until I actually picked it up, and this shoe is actually really dope. Like the quality on it is amazing. And I'm a fan of the gold Nike swoosh, and the luxe appearance of this shoe really is what pushed me to this shoe more so than anything else. Quality wise, I don't really have too many problems. I just wish that the panels were all the same. Like I wish that the panels were all like the middle panel with this more plush tumble leather. But outside of that, you know, it's a really solid colorway. And as the fall gets ready to come, I know we're still in the summertime, but I'm thinking ahead for the next season. This is gonna be a dope colorway to pick up. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Nike Air Force 1 Premium Jewel Swoosh in the neutral olive colorway is now available at select Nike retailers and Nike.com for a retail price of $135. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.